Hello, welcome to another video about Cardano. A lot is happening in the market at the moment, and I just woke up here in the UK and I'm looking at very nice figures, very nice numbers, and I just want to update you on the latest price developments and also that I believe it's a really good week for Cardano, as we know. So let's go and have a look and spread some optimism about Cardano, but always let's be cautious because a correction could be coming, and I said that in yesterday's video. But still, it is looking good. Can't wait, by the way, to see the earthquake on this map as soon as the all-time high is happening, because on Fiat League here, there will be an earthquake on the map when there is an all-time high. So I don't know if I'll be able to do a live stream. Maybe I will, now that I've got 1,000 subscribers. And by the way, thanks a lot for that. You all helped, but Cardano helped as well with the latest pumps, because as soon as Cardano started pumping, this channel gained 100 subscribers a day, and it's just fantastic. I mean, it's still a new channel anyway, with just started 2 months ago, and I think the average of getting to 2,000 subscribers on YouTube is over 12 months. So looking really good. Thanks Cardano, thanks community. But yeah, bear in mind there will be an earthquake, and I will try to do a live stream when that's happening, but it's still a small channel anyway. So let's take a look at what's happening across the cryptocurrency space. I woke up, everything in the green, really nice signs. Yesterday I did a video, said, guys, there might be a correction coming. There has to be one. It's hard to time that, but mentally we all want to be prepared for that. We want to understand there will be a correction at some point. Well, I don't know, in these crazy times, you know, we could even go to through the all-time high. I mean, we can't, it's so hard to say. But what I just want to say is that, you know, for example, I buy long-term and I stake my ADA coins. What I see here for the last few weeks, actually, when I've been tracking this, these 71.37% of total staked ADA, it's not really going up anymore, which tells me that people who are buying now, they are maybe not that interested in holding it long term. They are maybe not interested in staking. They are interested in participating in the bull run, and they're interested in making money. So obviously, when they are not interested in staking, that shows me they don't want to hold long term. They don't necessarily have diamond hands, so they could cash out at any point, because anyone who has been buying this crazy pump here is in profits. So it's just something to be aware of. Again, I don't give any trading advice. I don't give investment advice. I don't want to tell you, you know, start shorting at some point, because I would never short ADA, never. But yeah, it's just something to be aware of, and I can't say when it's happening, but all I can tell you is what I see on the charts. And let's take a closer look at Bitcoin first. And then we're having a look at the Cardano chart, do a bit of a technical analysis, an update on that. We've been tracking resistance, support levels, Fibonacci, and all that stuff for the last few weeks. And yeah, I just want to update you. Bitcoin is looking good. We see that massive pump that took place on, yesterday it was, on the Friday the 13th. Actually a good day for every crypto holder, bad day for everybody in fiat. So what we can see, we have, when we did go through the 200-day moving average, a level that I talked about frequently, that when we entered that area, I always said we'd be in that area for at least a few days. There will be some battling around that area, but very nice to see that this continuation of the uptrend seems to be happening. That's what I said in one of the previous videos. I showed you that line here that's already on this chart. I said that there will be a decision point here on the weekend, and it already happened yesterday. We pumped through, and this is good. This is what's happening in these bull markets. We see these pumps and just go through these resistance levels, and very, very nice to see. There's a red candle forming now, but nothing to worry about. We are now in the area between the 200-day moving average and the 50,000. 50,000, an important level to watch, because the 50,000 eventually is a psychological mark and acted as support and resistance before, so it is something to watch. I don't expect us to go through there easily, but in these crazy times, everything is possible. What we also want to understand here is, you know, in contrast to Cardano, the gap between the 20-day moving average and the current price action isn't that much. If you look at Cardano, I think it was like a lot. It was like 40%. So here we are only like 13%. And let's take a look at the 50-day moving average as well, because we just want to understand if we're overextended. So here we are like 28. It could be closer, but it's not too bad actually. Cardano is higher just because of that huge pump, and when we are too overextended, it's a bit difficult because we want to make sure that these levels provide some support. So we just need to watch that out. And what I said yesterday, the next big bullish thing that will be coming is when these shorter term moving averages are going to cross the 200-day moving average to the upside. That will be a bullish crossover and could indicate further moves to the upside. I mean, we need that because we want to go to new all-time highs. Let's take a look at ADA. ADA, what we've all been waiting for. So ADA, looking at these Fibonacci levels here, and I'll delete them in a minute, but it shows that we're currently at this 78.6 level, and it seems to provide some sort of resistance. That's what Cardano pumped to yesterday, and a huge candle, honestly, a huge pump yesterday. To be honest, I don't know what all the Cardano haters are doing now. Can't really hear anything from them at the moment. They've gone quiet. It was Friday the 13th and a really bad day for Cardano haters and skeptics. It was a bad week anyway. So yeah, we now need to watch this area here. I think it's really like the last resistance before we move to the all-time high. And it's getting a bit scary. I still expect there will be a rejection coming at some point, but to be honest, I more and more believe we could actually go through the all-time high on the weekend. And it's crazy. Obviously I can't promise. Nobody can promise, and this is no advice. But what's happening is just crazy. And as soon as we go through the all-time high, I mean, look at these levels that could be coming. The 338, the 484, and it's just you don't know when it will stop. We are already in overbought territory, which doesn't necessarily mean we need to see that correction now, but it will be coming. We've been before in overbought territory when we went into towards the new all-time high, and we've been in that for a month. So that just tells you what is possible potentially. And let me delete the Fibonacci levels here. But yeah, huge pump, and just be mentally prepared for a correction. If that happens, in my view, nothing to worry about. We'll fall back to one of these levels here, and from there we'll gain new steam. But really nice to see. I mean, as I've been doing this video here, we're actually starting to move through that level. The green candle is forming, and we already have 216 new high today, because just now we were at 215, I think. That was the maximum, and now we're already seeing nearly 217. So guys, be prepared. Watch the rocket ship. Watch the rocket go to the moon. It's crazy. I didn't expect to see potentially new all-time highs that soon. Obviously, if anything exciting happens, I'm going to update you later today. There'll probably be a lunchtime update anyway. And let's just watch this. It's better than going to the cinema, obviously. Get the popcorn out and watch it. Alright, I hope you liked the video. If you did, please smash the like button. And if you want to follow me on this crypto journey, then please subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.